Hello guys, I have a basket and in this basket I have animals. I will show you one by one and tell the name. Giraffe. Next one is cheetah. What is this? A lion. Elephant. This is a starfish. Find more. A dog. And this one is camel. Whoa, white color polar bear. Cow, it gives us milk. And this one is sea turtle, it founds in water. Next one is duck, it sounds like quack quack quack. Green lizard, it changed its color. Zebra, white and black zebra. Hen. Duck. Tiger. Panda. A dangerous yellow colored dinosaur. Next one is horse. Nee. Sheep. This is a crocodile, a dangerous crocodile. Hippo. Green frog.